thought he, oh, well, I just cut her and. You video on that, Hillary?
Yeah.
Went easier than I thought it was going to.
Now you think they will go in there by tonight?
Well, I'm hoping.
A drone there on top, Dad.
Huh?
A drone there on top.
I'm gonna give them time to kind of work that in. I'm gonna shake the shit out of that tree.
Yep.
How can you tell the drone?
They're a lot fatter.
There.
Done with that. Put this away.
See?
I really can't tell.
See right there?
Oh, yeah. Ow, Dad.
What?
Nothing.
I just broke limb off.
Broke limb and it popped back and hit me.
Broke and hit you?
Yeah.
I think a bird just shit on me.
Where's me?
Oh, I think a little bird really shit on me.
Where?
On my back.
Boy, the other day though,
Something
they
like that,
just
kinda.
piled right in there like.
Oh,
And when we left, there was.
Something wet hit me. I'm pissed. That's crazy.
Not working today, Carl? Too hot?
Well, they stirring them up a little bit. Oh yeah. Now they're getting stirred. Oh yeah, now they're getting stirred. Woo. Woo.
Nope.
Hey, I felt it too.
What? I don't know, but I don't like it.
I don't
Yeah.
know. They getting a little widespread.
Yeah, they are.
Hey, are you?
Oh shit. Oh shit. They're still out. They're still cooking for us out here. Damn.
She's up here somewhere.
Well, I feel like I'm in a cloud.
Hey, are you filming the swarm?
Whoa. I don't know, but I don't like the spot that I'm in. They're right above me.
She's up there somewhere.
Do you think if you just left box that there was they wouldn't have crawled in?
They're going over top the barn.
That's crazy.